Welcome to this lecture. Here we're going to be seeing how we can work with the creation of what is known as a personnel officer. The personnel officer is going to be the officer that is in charge of the different applications and the recruitment process inside our company. We can actually have many different application officers, and they're going to be dividing out the work by the department as well as the specific project that we're hiring them for. Let's come over here to applicant administration on to create personnel officer, and here we're going to be coming over to new entries. Let's give a specific group. So for a group known by SAL1, this is going to be our sales group. We can define the administrator as someone like John. This is going to be a 3-letter code that allows us to specify the administrator's shortcut name. Here we're going to be giving the full name, so we'll give the name as John Stewart. The title here is going to be title of Mr. You can see there are different titles that we can select. We have Mr., Mrs., Miss, and Miss. Give a telephone number for this person. And here we have information about the SAP name. So what is the name we're going to be referring to them as the SAP consultant. In this case, we're just going to be leaving this as blank. Let's come over here to the group, copy this down one more time. And just to show you that we can have different groups, we'll have one more person, which is going to be the financial aspect administrator. Let's come here and define a name. It's going to be Maria, Thomas, Mrs. And here we can define the telephone number as basically the same thing, just change around a couple of these numbers. Let's come here and let's define one last person. This is going to be GEN. This is going to be Janelia Thompson. And this is going to be a miss. Let's come here and let's hit save. Make sure we change around the correct number. Let's enter. Let's activate this request. And you can see we have created the different administrators which are going to be in charge of the different departments' hiring processes. John Stewart is in charge of hiring all the people inside the sales group, and Janelia Thompson is in charge of hiring all the people inside the financial and controlling department. Let's move along to the next lecture.